When me goes again. Been bad, me one bad, me still bad. Bad in your tear, anyway, say we still bad. Real bad, we still bad, we still bad. Nobody could that company, just we still bad. We bad anyway, you know your chef them say. Bust up the team when we rock, we play. DJ Spark Zimbabwe, when we hear this I want ya freestyle. Chicha me go so one, wanna be my dandy. Beg of no one I can style and 9 minutes was man.
Mads, Marcus Sommer and Daddy guys.
We talk about the ground, man. Was like a tangy, you understand?
Yeah, man.
If anybody start me, swear to God, me go kill him. Now came on my cry, oh, come begging. Me guns them load, them ready for the pilling. The bend the finger, pull the trigger, and we start clipping. Some of them love attach, so them diss me, cause them a man never recognize
Bombo clad, I make sure you play it twice. Thrice or even more from top General Chicha.
Them can't turn me up, them can't turn me up, them can't turn me down, them can't turn me up. What they can't turn me down, them can't turn me down. Yes, man! Baby girl, you want to that? Well, everybody got and girl, you bang, girl, you bang, girl, boom. Oh, you got that thing me want so much again. Wow. And girl, you bang, girl, you bang, girl, you bang. It's chat to body like a pano. Yes, number one, girl, you are the one I want so much, and you know said the one. Paka to yip on the scene where baby. You bad, you never want pay out of control. Baby, girl, pan dance flow. She tell me that she want get more. Have bad mango, and you never yip in flow. Now we tell them again your spots. Oh, everybody.
Stop it. Mad. From top, mad.
Warm to them.
Wana mambo.
Your DJ Sparks. When me burn them with the fire, I and me set like Messiah. That's authority me empire. Me want take it higher. In a jungle man a real lion. This a me one fire. Me rise me condemn. Anybody at this get fire. Watch how we want take it higher. Them boy like a gun. Call me the dance of Messiah. Helmet big one just fire. When me goes again. Manage me in Alban 14 of June. Tell them say we gonna make it up again. So we ready to back it up. We take it up to them. Hey yo, DJ Sparks, how we go and finna run so Gamato, Vauze gutiti gupisa moto. I said DJ Sparks
Gamato, Vauze gupisa moto. From top
Military reloaded.
For any people like us who say those are bad guys. Yeah, Chicha, baby. When me say burn them with the fire, I and me set like Messiah. Dance authority me empire, me go and take it higher. In a jungle man a build lion. These are me one fire, me voice me condemn. Anybody at this get fire. Watch how we go and take it higher. Them boy like a gun. Call me the dance of Messiah. Your DJ Sparks take it higher. Me goes again, manage me in Albert 14th of June. Watch it how we gonna take it up again. So we ready to up, we buck it up, we take it up to them. And yo, DJ Sparks we na fear so me goes again. Gamatu, pauze kutitiri kupisa moto. And yo, Bego, tego yenda iko cool. What them chat we na PM, we shoot them a gun. Me goes again. Who them de? Hey, who them de? Who them de? Hey, who them de? Hey, who them de? Hey, who them de? Yeah, that one them done. Me goes again. Never said my gangsta, but them never pull that trigger. Never said my this, that, oh, nigga. Never said my chat about a bad man, bigger, but we deep on that thing we na fear. Me tell you say, round them up, them fix up. Nothing that we do, we can
Mad.
Yeah.
Mad.
For any people like us support that say, don't
helmets to the house.
Hardcore rules how we play.
Hardcore.
When me goes again, who them there? Who them there? Who them there?
Who them there?
Who them there? Who them there? Who them there? Who them there? Done. Who them there?
Who them there?
Who them there? Who them there? Who them there? Who them there? Done. Who them there? Your sparks. Let me say, never say my gangster, but them never pull that trigger. Never say my this, nigga. Never say my bad, we stiff regard. Tell them say we never want regard. Sakatanga ndiri modeke ndiri juvenile. Ndiri bad kunge mrungu wepa 8 mile. Sinore mahandi fari them a fix mile. We tape on them a trolley. It's up. Bad them and better we no fame. We pick it up already, we take it anywhere, sir. Bad them bad anywhere. Bad them bad anywhere.
Bongo clads from top. Mad.
Ding. Your Chicha. Your Sparks. Zimbabwe, Africa. What make us again? But now we bad. Man, now we mad. Helmet play now, helmet go and share. Now you don't Sparks, freestyle time. Because again, everybody say that them bad, who better than bad. Everybody say that them bad, everybody say that them mad, who madder than bad. Everybody could have one bad, so everybody could have be the one that them tag. Them shot, them boy, them got hard, but could have be a same size, but a different shoe. I could have be a same shoe, but a different size. Yo, get the prize, who suffer worse size. Everything in life, no say that is got a price. Even I'm sorry, Wako, I can get it on a right price.
Bad guys, right? Nasina kwigirai helmet movements. Saka pana vazvandaita muri Zimbabwe ka pane movement mageto itsona iziya movement yoyo kuti pane movement inzi helmet movement ndichamba message zakawanda ngachinzi Sparks ko helmet movement ukuita sei chimbowapa mukana komana watione zvishua kuti vakaipere kana kuti havana. Samuzona nhasi ndana General Chicha anova producer wema helmets. I think my helmet movement anoziva kuti General Chicha ndiani. Kana uchita ma helmets usingazive General Chicha which means uneka era somehow. Amene zvauri kuita una knowledge muzvinhu zvauri kuita. Unofanira kunge une knowledge muzvinhu zvauri kuita. Then uko kondawe nemwana wamambo one I-Ratty. Yamani big up yourself one I-Ratty. So guys I-Ratty asizotatanga kutaura. Anofanira kunge achitaura ari pamicrophone. Saka papa General Chicha. Nachimboti timbotanga tamboziyana nevakomana nevasikana kuti ari apa ndiani anonzi General Chicha. Bad producer, trust me. Ndinofunga muri kungonzwa maridhimu ari kuridza kuti mahwani. Saka uyo hatisi kuita tataure izvezvi uyu. Tisamboita tataure pamicrophone. Saka General Chicha. Kuda simba na umafamba bwenu.
Bwenu ya atafamba bo.
Atisema works.
Works bo.
Works bo.
Tusimbisa.
Aiwa bomba na ungu. Aiwa I think ya time yekuti wanambonzwe ngoma nemandande nemjuruwa. Kumana ma helmet. Timbone zvishwa kuti chichi kuitika kuma helmets uko. Saka chimboti pa another one.
Yeah man.
Well, for any people like us to point and say those are the bad guys. Unmute was pan mute. Sparks. What make us again like Bruce Lee, man, I suit them with karate. Let me introduce myself, is I-Ratty. Helmet a serious thing, no chatty. Tell somebody to no party, done them. If life is a game and not a player, tell some anytime we there, we there. Sparks, what was the fair? That authority we take it there. Your Chicha. Now we know. Follow them. Now we know.
Take it from top, General Chicha.
Yeah. Them coulda slow you down, but they can't stop you. Back to the bun, your Chicha. Cause again, like Bruce Lee, man, I suit them with karate. Let me introduce myself, is I-Ratty. Helmet a serious thing, no chatty. Tell somebody to no party, done them. If life is a game and not a player, tell some anytime we there, we there. Sparks dog, but with the fire, your Chicha, that's authority, we go and done. Now we know, follow them. Now we know, follow none of them boy. Now we know. Now we know.
4.
Now we know. Fall on them. Now we know. When me go again, me born a leader like King Solomon. My thing, one done and one voice. My sound that run straight to London. Up and downtown, them know we lucky down. If they mask around, we run the town. We got the crown. We are no clown. If they fuck up, we be
anytime. It's your best talent pattern, guys. Ndikutisha kumbonyarara nasi tumunyasozwe pazvinochinja nekuita sei. Right. Mad. From top.
Right. Helmet time, helmet we defend every time.
4.
So respect everyone wants to pick up. You don't want ya. Good. Me born a leader like King Solomon. My thing, one done and one voice. My sound that run straight to London.
4.
Up and downtown, them know me lucky down. If they mask around, we run the town. We are no clown. We got the crown. Helmet a play DJ Spots Chicha. Tell some boy that we want reach amigos again. Now we know, now we know, now we know, follow them. Now we know Sparks, now we know. Follow none of them move. Now we know, now we know, now we know, follow them. Now we know, now we know. Follow none of them boy. Been bad, one bad, me still bad. But anyway, you know your teeth say we real bad. Some of them they say them a chat them say wish bad. DJ Sparks put it on another wax with one down.
Bombo glad. Big tune this one. Right, he dance on you. Number yana kuti mumboona kuti kuda mwana anongwa chirova tete kutodarika mwana mune muchibasando makakulo kuda kwa chirova ngembongwe zvangu mvura nyika inoyi
azisatauri
inofana vanorova zvekuti takaenda apa munaizona kuti right pakashata anyway General Chicha from top from top General Chicha.
So as they always say, what comes first might be the last one you remember. What comes last might be the first thing you should remember. So when we say Zimbabwe, Africa, that one I come back from birth, you know. Yeah, that one. When me goes again, been bad, me one bad, me still bad. Bad in your tear, anyway, say we still bad. Real bad, we still bad, we still bad. Nobody could that company, just we still bad. We bad anyway, you know your chef them say. Bust up the thing when we rock, we play. DJ Spark Zimbabwe, when we do this, I want your freestyle. Chicha me go so one, wanna be my dandy. Begavano wanna kind of style and pattern. Nashika opa two, with some tutu, handed the legendary ungatim daratuku. Nashika kapa 3, dengenda karo wanemo. Ipapo veseva notisi, nashika kapa 4. Kuchoro ndangandiri do 4. Asiriti murese ndino toro vango 4. Pa 5, mango mandiyo yangu life. Nakabanda tomita wangu mufesu. Royimba 6 to 6. Festival no jaira vakaenda 6 feet saka 7. Uya imori 11. Daneta kudeben. Dotonza kareken. Spicy pa 8. Bauze kuti deep and late. Kumango mati they share it. When we desipa 9. Unandire kutata mura 20. Mandisi mbisa kwa tino baka kumaraini 10. Andisi woli kunge. Hey, ukatochera isusuva uze wrong 10. 11. Nambotipa 7. Because in no heaven. Yes, we are forgiven. Tell them say patofu. Chokwadi ndo pisonge chitofu. Or chat them a chat we na play. Pawana kapa 13. This super sabu. O team yangu kutora kapu. Omana mambo na sonta lavu. Atidi unakavano on 999. 90 minutes was mania. And that winner gavaya na kulutanya.
Oh my God. Mad. Makusomora ndandika izozo.
We talk about the ground, man. Was like a tangy, you understand?
Yeah, man.
13. So I remember 2013.
Yeah, man.
That's when we link up and do the trick there, man.
The Soldier Love.
Yeah, man. So when we doing the freestyle, I'm going to say, I was a super sub.
Alright.
I had to change the game in some place or in some way or in some state. In their own mind.
Super sub.
And he super sub.
Right, I think tofana zochaya nezvenyaya yesuper sub yakazvimira yega kuti zvinhu zvakanyatsoitika angatitika mama kaitira but now hausi kubvunza kutaura ndosana tozoitaura. Right, General Chicha, another one.
Well, one thing is still a fling, but here we sing. Respect to DJ Sparks.
Oh.
When we say everything has a right time to get on the scene.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Chicha. If any boy start me, swear to God me go kill him. Now came on my cry, oh come begging. Me guns them load and them ready for the building. Let's not them so hard.
From top.
Helmet a play, helmet a shell.
Four.
Chicha, we always go and tell. Your DJ Sparks.
Four.
General Chicha music.
One done. Helmet a play, done them. Ben bad. Vanamaka, bless wa. VVB. You don't want you. If any boy start me, swear to God me go kill him. Now came on my cry, oh come begging. Me guns them load, them ready for the pilling. The bend the finger, pull the trigger, and we start clipping. Some of them love attach, so them diss me, cause them a man never recognize
Bombo clat, I make sure you play twice, thrice or even more. From top, General Chicha. Now my beloved Headcliff Massive.
Yeah, man.
Where we come from?
One venomous.
General Chicha music.
Sir, where we come from is at the town, them say Uptown, but with a cliff, with a head.
Four.
Done. If any boy start me, swear to God me go kill him. Now came on my cry, oh come begging. Me guns them load, ready for the killing. The bend the finger, pull the trigger, and we start clipping. Some of them laugh at us, so them diss me, cause them mama never recognize them. Me goes again, talk about this, talk about that's some message I run things. Dance authority me na play, when me dear for the dollar. This is a change, every girl I go holla. In a me echo case, looking like a bank robber. No man, nothing we dear for the gala. Sports every day, when me goes again, done. A bad man thing that a bad man thing. A good boy thing that a rude boy thing. A bad man thing that a bad man thing. Ninja man could have say real bad man.
Real bad.
Real bad man.
So a bad man and a bad mind are two different things. You understand? Don't say you're a bad mind and then you put on your state pan a bad man league.
Okay.
A bad man is a certain way we live with. So we tell them one thing. Me goes again, a bad man thing that a bad man thing. A rude white thing that a rude white thing. Some of them hype and claim. Last time me check Chicha, them no real bad man. A bad man thing that a bad man thing. A rude white thing that a rude white thing. Some of them are hype and claim. Last time me check Chicha, where they can't hang. Them can't turn me up, them can't turn me high. Them can't turn me down, them can't turn me high. What they can't turn me down, them can't turn me down. Yes, man! Watcha, yeah, man. From the roots and everything.
Right.
Yeah, they can't tear me down,
yeah,
man.
They can't.
Yeah, man, respect. Blessings. So, Chicha, since you there, I'm there. You can allow me to do this. Though it was a collaboration from 4 different nations. They need to understand.
Yeah, man.
It's one mission.
Yeah, man.
And see. Yeah, them attack. Them boy in a lip service. Tell some boy them can't hear this. Yeah, them a chat. Tell some boy them can't touch this. Why them a chat? We not practice. Me goes again. Talking about. Rasta beat them bad, cause we think so bad. Yeah, talking about. We go higher than
Talking about.
We got the whole city locked down.
Mad.
What a wa.
General Chicha.
Yeah, man.
Touch it from top.
Yeah, man.
Oh, Lord.
General Chicha music.
But we say dance authority enforcers.
Yeah,
Man, big up the show, Height of Fire.
Oh, yo.
But we
Channels.
say dance authority with you, so helmet we defend anyway. Chicha. Hear them attack. Them boy in a lip service. Tell some boy them confuses. Hear them a chat. Tell some boy them can't touch this. Why them a chat we not practice me goes again. Talking about Rasta pit them bad cause we think so bad. Yeah, talking about we go harder than them. We kick like Van them. Talking about we got the one that set it like down. Not tell them we not back down. No. Talking about we go harder than them. Because again, we not take disrespect. In from my boy, them pick my check. Hey, say them a bad man, the bad man fi who? Like a lion in a jungle, I'm on a roo. Indido, none of me no afraida. Hear that big to me, boss with me brother. Sing again, well, never them afraid of. And we no listen to them while them a pretend. Real bad man no back up. When the fire let up, when the can cut up. You could never do a Chris Passion voice. I will swear, man. For because one voice, if it sparks a choke, yeah, man. That's a Prince Passion voice. Man, bad man, back up. When the fire light up, I mean, one day. Okay, so on the song, him the only one take time to do it, man. Him took his time.
All right, and the General Chicha.
Yeah, man.
All right.
Timozo Zakarongwa.
So in everything,
General Chicha
I always
music.
talk about everything, because something can become nothing, but I'm nothing that became something. So in everything that we have, we tell them one thing, Chicha. Me got again. And girl like you are, you want me love so much. Hey, girl like you are, me love so. Hey, baby girl, you got my attention. Me say you for my deep and you get satisfaction. Hey, oh girl, ref pan it, design girl, wave pan it, to find girl. It's another chorus, everybody. Girl, you are, number one day pan DJ Sports Line.
From Tobo, Mama, Bombo Glass. Touching from Tobo, General Chicha. Yeah, man, big up DJ Lusa.
What we say one thing. Man to man, there never been a league. Woman to woman, I'm balanced. But you say man to woman, I think we say pan. Number one. Hey, make us get. Ref pan it, design girl. Wave pan it, you find girl. Dear pan it, you mind girl. What's another you dear pan fine girl? You deep on patrol, you deep on the floor. Now what are you go wine girl. Everybody deep on your side. Baby girl, you want to that. Well, everybody go And girl, you bar. Oh, you got that thing me want so much again. Wow. And girl, you bar. It's chat to body like a pano. Yes, number one, girl, you are the one, the one I want so much. And you know, say the one, paka to yip on the scene where baby. You bad, you never want pay out of control. Baby, girl, pan dance flow. She tell me that she want get more. Have bad mango, and you never yip in flow. Now we tell them again your spots. Oh, everybody. Girl, you bar, the one that I want so much. I say. Girl, you are. Tell me, make a song. Game over, girl. She call me pa me telly, say she coming over. Ay, ring pa me telly. Let me tell you, girl, call me, say she call me Eddie. Hey, but over there, so what them chatter we na fear that them. What them a fear, so we check it tell you where.
Pull up. Mad.
Right. It's been bad.
Unplugged.
Unplugged. In a June, I will say we're going forward now.
General Chicha music.
Sir, For me, you look them from far. Hey, Sparks, take them walk one. From long time, we never sleep on a sofa. Aye, but that for my city, for my father, my road.
Them to scared that he don't.
What? You love this one?
General Chicha.
Please don't tell an artist man to appear. I'm going to go back to please.
That is here.
So everyone have a favorite tune, you understand? One thing we all say, everything that came from nothing to something.
Yeah, man.
General Chicha
One on one.
music.
Hey, bad man people.
Listen.
Bad man people.
What
Hey.
I
Oh Lord, Lord. What see they for my father, my run them too. Scared of the gun, fire go pen anyway. Where anybody, yeah, this we the gun them say fire go burn and we never want chatter we not blood. Make us again. They be waiting for me like a new baby. And dance so them know that me are crazy. They want it up anyway when we rave. Bad man chatter we not them bro.
We pull it twice because we are wise. 4.
We're done. Caesar. Yeah.
General Chicha music.
What a time like that. Okay, Chicha. Your Sparks.
4.
Respect and mark.
1 I-Ratty.
I say. I'm to see the for my father, my round them too. Scared of the gun, fire go paint in the boy. Where anybody, yeah, kill the gun, them say fire go burn. We not scared them boy, them a chat. Your Chicha. They be waiting for me like a new baby. Pan dance so them know say that me crazy. They tell me bro your son pan it just amazing. Watch them boy them a raving because I gonna switch. Better than them. Wait, fucking boy you your weapon them. Mr. Switch. Better than them. Switch the thing we don't play Mr.
But style and pattern oh.
Sometimes they go switch or gonna switch maybe different flavor.
But I didn't throw the foot. Touch it from top.
Right.
Man.
Okay, a long time here and the 9 voices, 10 voices.
Yeah, man.
General Chicha music.
Ndakazwara ndine organized crime yekuita noise. Vatipe ndakazwara na mwarine one choice.
4.
Your voice.
4.
I endorse DJ Sparks.
4.
Because again switch. Bad man bad anyway. Tell them a bad man now we never go and square. Switch. Bad anywhere. No bad man we tell them say we never go and play. So switch. Man them bad anyway. Fire mommy money chop at tell them say we never flee. Switch. B-A-D, them go on D-I-E if they C-M-E. So, not for say them a get up at them, book up a who them. Box tell them say a number 1, say we sue them. Which? Bad man and bad and we always pan top. When we say we bad to the bone, so over there so gone, over here so run. All over there so gone, all over here so gone. Helmet a play. Your teacher, tell them again, sir. See them for ma, see them for ma. See them for ma, yes, see them for ma. Hey, see them for ma, yes, you see them for ma. Hey, see them for ma. Oh, Mr. Lord have mercy, give life to my enemies, yeah. Life to my enemies. They won't curse me. Life to my enemies, yeah. Life to my enemies, yeah. But never can place one. I think most stress one. Just dip on this side and we always go and reach out one.
Mwana mambo. I-Ratty. Tipo back zile microphone. But before some back pata dimeno kwanza utapembe amopinde collab yakata na Soja Love ande tova tanga mbotara papa papa kama wakana Soja Love kuti wagwan. Tinga ndipapa ngaimbike song yako na Soja Love super sub.
Problem yekuti bora in 90 minutes vantu kuzoti chiro mu ground yanzweni rakashata kana mu ground netefu kana mu ground ichi mabhuza 90 minutes inongotambwa 90 minutes.
Saka General Chicha.
Yeah, man.
Play anything.
90 is 90. Yeah.
General Chicha music.
Well, this one be a refix. This version of what? 2026. Inini seka team kachangova mu division. And they lose the focus, drum and in vision. But I'm trying one mama television. Don't defend that title, saka take position. One the passapora, ndanga touch line. Kuta sakuna sparks and on the paka sign. And need a fine, ndanga ikoko.
What a mambo! What did I say in the building? Maroro
Refix and a remix.
Can I find out what's going on? I don't so love. Maroro to show. I want to see you. Anyway, General Chicha from top.
Yeah, man.
Listen, guys. Mawanayo.
So I always say R.I.P.
Man, rest in peace, Soldier Love.
For you always
When
be
there's
with
a-
me, you know what's that? One in time. Oh Lord,
4.
hey.
General Chicha music.
90 minutes watching Maya. DJ Spox.
4.
Just put a little melody so they can hear the harmonies now. Hey. And in the second team katango mu division. And they lose the focus, dumb and in vision. But I'm trying to one mama television. Don't defend the title, saka take position. One the passabora, ndanga touch line. Kutasa kuna sparks on the payango sign. And you know me not fine, ndanga ikoko. Kuketi kwabo, attack 90 minutes watchmanya. Connecta go win ngaba yende kuno sanya. Boutin, until go ita yakanyanya. Ground race and then go famba lechinyuna.
One more time, my father. One more time. R.I.P. Soldier Love.
Yeah, man.
R.I.P. Gwendesa from Top General Chicha.
Well, it's funny when they tell me say it's gone, man. It needs such a love. It's still there, man. You understand? Anumunza crazy. Up till now, we have another generation. You understand? So I say 90 minutes. Your DJ Sparks. Oh, Lord.
4.
And say
General Chicha music.
90 minutes watchmanya. Connecta go win ngaba yende kuno sanya. Boutin, until go ita yakanyanya. Ground race and did go famba lechinyunya. Nenge lechinyunya, until go pin and did super sabu. What team young with go tora kapo. Oh, mwana mambo na soja lavo. Oh, what it is, kutamba rafu. What them should know. We hotter than them, we hotter than them. We tell them, we man than them, we man than them. We tell them, not bad man, we not fear bad man, we not kill. Tell them, when we go again, me tell them, I'm physically fit, musically fit. Panta packing, you tell them, say we our feet. So Jan Love and I-Ratty. Music for the future, tell them 90 minutes last mania. Connecta go win, gaba yende kuno sanya. Bouncing, until we eat a yakanyanya. Ground race and did go from Managa in Zonze. Well, me can't sleep, lingara de seko. Matikira wamwe bachi tumbra mepo. Me can't sleep. Wope ati nandima. Eyo chicha we want say I'm a fighter. Hey yeah, chicha. That one is fighter. It's my fighter. No, that is my favorite song at the moment. It's called Fighter.
Fighter.
It came out just recently.
Okay, I think the fighters are so in, but now I'm going to microphone timbo kurukure. Murisai kom tara. Mwana mambo.
Yo, Sparks wagwan.
Blessings, my father.
Yeah,
I'm
man.
to the pain.
Life is now good. For I step and tap and in front of a mic, I feel humbled. So good thing I need my problems. So if you ask me about my life in front of a mic, I will tell you, say life is good and I have a purpose. So I'm good.
So why would you so that by microphone when you're not talking?
When you there by music now, music is a feeling for me. So how I express it is trying to run away from that world.
Okay.
With too much pressure, too much stress, too much press down.
Too much press down.
Yeah. So with music now, that's where we hide our pain, we run away and try and make something out of nothing.
Okay.
You see, because in was the art. Do my guitar. And a teacher, you made.
All right. I maybe but ngapenda wangu I know kuti makatanga roma ngoma kudara ende wangu nashinga nokuziwa but pangu ngapenda wangu apana ufuti ama 2K vanhu vachiona this platform vangu ndoda kuziya kuti anonzi I-Ratty ndiani maybe wakambo yatudza a short background ngosummarize but zvinyatso kunzwisisika.
Yeah man, for me come out of my belly, have knowledge what it is, you know. So I-Ratty is a youth from humble beginnings, but privileged in a way. You understand? So music, I started doing it in 2004. That's I used to, but for a professional level, it was 2010. I grew up in Hatfield, moved my way into Bordeaux and Cliff. That's where I met the Jenna. Okay. Yeah, man, from the other side of town. So, you know, man, mostly I like to keep everything by myself, you know, in disclosed, so people have to look for it.
Okay.
And get a surprise, saying, oh, he's here, he's got a prize. So,
inspiration.
Wow. Inspiration, really, I have a couple of things that inspire me to do music. Artistry, for one, and the life that we live. Internationally, my number one artist I don't despise, Gentleman. Gentleman. That is my one done. Gentleman, to is a Keputan. And to is a bounty killer. To is a busy.
No, man.
And is a inini pa number 5 patch.
All right.
And it's a full stop.
Ubomira.
Eh.
All right. Mwana mambo. Ukama wena soja love ngoka mina sing. Ndona ngeba song nye njapinda super sabu.
Kanda girl and
Engerinye kuti zoni muchasana tungamidza soja love then imozotira zvakamira si chicha ichezu kana maiti inini ndichazopinda ndiri 90 minutes wathi manje ukatisa message yotangeni ka meaning so.
Yeah, man. Well, in every program going on to time where there's always a foundation or a vision, you know. So we had the elite people behind us at that time, because in Ebagu, uptown, going to Mbari, you understand, the other side. So it was kind of like can we put this market or can we put this genre on, because it was still dancehall as well. So me and him, we link up, Takawiri on our own levels and our own tier for about our lifestyles and everything we come from. But we had elders now, Mangwari behind the scenes, you understand? Most of the Galley Guards and Zayas and, you know, the Mbaridons, Changaras and them people. And he's saying she couldn't reach downtown. So we had a way of, it didn't last that long because you can't have 2 lions or 2 kings in one zone. We entered, he's got his own force and we are in a force here, okay? But in the first days, everything was like a good direction.
Okay. So
But everyone has their own lineup. I have one dream and he had his own dream. Alpha and then alpha is a problem. If you're 2 alphas in the one zone, no needs. I had helmet, he had ZimDanceHall.
All right.
It was more of a native language and I was saying it international.
All right. Uona chinetika I-Ratty. Ndoga linetsana vanhu panapo.
Yeah, man.
Andidika. Ndichiti inini ndinoita problem navanhu vanofunga kuti vakaimba chirungu va international.
Yeah, man.
I see. I think chimbayazotudza kuti movement yemahelmet movement yakamba yazoita sei because pamwe pacho kuti vanhu vasandoisupport andika inyaya kuti havasi kutoiziva kuti movement yakamba yazomira sei. Movement iyi chimbayazotitsanangurira asi ndofunga naana General Chicha anoproducer movement aigona kuwedzeredza kana panenge pane zvada kuwedzeredza then iwewe uri munhu ari movement from day one. Chimbayazotudza kuti movement yemahelmet iya chimbori chii chaizvo mukuzama kuda kumbotry kuti sei why muchizvisa penyu mega muchizvisingazvise paZimDanchall.
Chona kuti in a class of 15 vana kudzidza unoshamisika kuti mungori ne6 vanogona chirungu asi vese vakudzidziswa nechirungu waiziya. So it doesn't mean that if you are a helmet you are now international. Helmet was never a sound. Helmet was a movement.
Okay.
Right? From it was ZimDanchall was the time when Arnold did that Fantan. ZimDanchall, Helmet was there already. You see? And they started their own movement. So Helmet has been a movement, it's the culture, the levity, the way of dancehall, hardcore especially. Those people on the road say tera mangoma kuchubu. Tera mangoma chaiwo. Kune ngoma chaiwo. Ngoma kuti kana katakunzi baba.
unoenza kuti ngoma
kana bouncer kana ukudisa apa ngoma something nako gone something nako being bad read bad was it right. So there's that kind of energy or the feeling that the music gives my hardcore. So mostly helmet have very super side kana kuti on its own corner niye kuti kwa kune machipisa downtown. Not everyone could play helmet music or not everyone could understand it. Saka kangurika community sort of. Kaiwandiga Mighty Ducks, Firelings, Mob Mafia, Basement Time. Yeah. So those artists I told out to me, we are different from the other visionary people. Don't go kumela kushavani ne kwa mtoko pameacho kuti tisibwekana chalible kati yakuno kwa but hapana yaenda naye mkomo wangu. Mauzia. So it's how you craft your art. As a helmet movement, we see ourselves.
Wana Heir inini ndakanzo wano helmet andina vachitara kuti ano bozi ndonase kuti paitwa ZimDanchall kati ZimDanchall ngenguripo mnesengunzi ZimDanchall andina then pakazotwa imwe time yakanyatosimiswa movement nema helmet and those guys with my helmet andina wainyatsofila kuti no vakomana ZimDanchall maroera vari kuita asiri vanofana ngachitwa mangoma.
True.
Ndochokwadi andina but ini problem ndezvitana vakomana vehelmet General Chicha ufana kupinda muconfa.
Yeah man.
General Chicha problem ndaita inini nevakomana vehelmet indaita vakomana vehelmet makaipa andika mukuti mimi mune sound rakapenga andika ndiri mukuita danzo chaiyo endaika kune vanhu ava munoprovera ikoko kuti makaita se kuti makaipa.
Right. If you are a recording artist and you don't perform, you're not showcasing your talent. Waizia. Saka mukana yakawanda yawanikwa kupi kune mashows akadaro uyanto kutaura kakawanda titoendawo. He knows the truth. Chicha for me common. Ichi
gogora
ichi kuti pambato ndakapress raka
ichochi
ukona ichi kanzi ichocho
wapa nzvimbo futi
cause inandi nyepere vakatanga kumbe kwedi Dazati gospel and one mama like you can put them pambe pedu Dazati was hardcore from day one. Dazati chero empana 5 am komongo airi kubuda aidzoka mbao energy. Even on my state, on my own level, anytime you can go there, we say, watch your year, 1 or 2 minutes. And this is 200 you give me.
Sajija kutatse kuenda mess. Kusaka toti susu movement yese sabotage gwera komana. Vakuna na dashoka, wana janozi. As janozi nembo mona kusiti ngoma achitotsa kuti atidza kuti ari kuda se mezia.
Angato ndiriza kuti okay cool. If we can't beat them in his own state, let me try and join them. So ona helmet ndakuza kuti it's too much of a genre where everybody is literate. Everyone knows their value in a certain way. Value for your money sparks. You understand? So I never felt it, but at young in a 10 minutes and that investor and everything that I've put into it drawing young way when say going to art gallery up. I need to put it there. So you know what you're going to I-Ratty. I said, could do the dashoka and I thought I would share. And they got no miss some senior ground. I took us to a batana. We can be on a different with the angle for different side in a different side. Muswan ku feel in that is a captain like what ZimDanchall had, or someone that could go forward and say, I'm representing this genre. That's one thing that Helmet didn't have. And we're still trying to find that kind of right of what.
Well, so ZimDanchall vanongwari vaita izvo ndenani?
Fantan, DJ Fidel, he's done himself, Cheapers, right? Where you know kuti ndiyo anima shows. So
balangari kuma selector ga irwa ma helmets ana Firelings.
Right. As a community yedu manje. Firelings ni uti Firelings downtown machibisa. Kumuti mamisa pa big stage and prime time. There's always a time, Sparks. Uji organiza kana 10:11 chika show chiro lo richiru na kam system kam komongo. Muni chiro ka imba so ruimba chiro ka chito mutsakuna kirwa. So there's something with endorsing something kind of propaganda pa sound. So usingadi uchidaga and unyepe unomterera chete munye pangwayo. Because everyone had the links. It came from radio to the streets to the shows. And there are a couple of shows and I got to inini personally and to zikama where I have a Jamaican artist personally know me and what on the upper stage here. No one to be around 7 in Gavio. What I'm saying? 6%. What I was just now. One of my fellow going out to CFT. That was I-Ratty show. 2015. 12th December.
Chicha katika pana I-Ratty bebe. Gogora.
Get it.
Chicha katika iwe wangu graduate na I-Ratty Chicha katika.
So before that time, I was in 2015. I couldn't past social media like how you are this time. So I was already talking with a man on Instagram and Twitter, right? So every artist talks Zimbabwe to follow this. Oh, you have people doing here from airport from everywhere. So I-Ratty now, I'm a lookalike of Sprague Benz. I'll tell you the truth. What Sprague Benz? I swear, man. If I want to see that, oh, Sprague Benz. So the first time when we started, I walked in. Guys, the comment was like, yo, I-Ratty is there. I-Ratty, no, man. I know that, man.
Right.
I swear.
I video.
I know that, man. I just said, Benz, what am I coming to? So, from that time now, it's the confidence that I had in myself, saying with this I-Ratty, I walked in, I went Chichi. So, I link where based on what passed, everyone didn't go to school and they have school quick, you understand, man. So there's a time where when you're sitting with an international artist, you need to fling your tongue and understand what he's saying so the next man doesn't feel out of place. So for I-Ratty in now, I'd say, all right, cool. Where's our and well, man, good man. So he had that person we felt like he was close enough to, you know, man. About the rumors, so many boys, As good boys, we got to moon in one on to say.
Kutaura na munu.
You want what? Vibe. So now they Taroma Ronzi, but when there was Gaza commander by my side, and got him soldier, and then they found me and did my military. Everything was nice, man. So couldn't say no. I can sham Scott couldn't find a family soldier. I'm to him the animal. Yeah, because Gaza was still by my side against it. Say him bring my but I think he's a big artist for me. I know. Sakapani don't see so check them machichimeze. Sound check. I walked in Angana Gwan Badri Gym. I had the same song pan Gwan Badri. Angana Big Gym. I had the same song pan Big Gym. Aswatanga. I did it as you take. Okay, cool. So, what was anyway? I have the basics, cheapers or now I'm calling. Shit, I'll get the name, man, but I don't do that. Jack Sparrow, Jackie, cheapers. I'm talking about the whole like you are. And to say, oh, so that I end up. And my favorite thing I do just so is what on that done. When I walked in, so since what you know, I want to get an artist that I can linger with the crowd. Eh? In those and I got to tell me that say bad man, Ruguzia Traj. But if you're close to a person, who feel very comfortable with you, oh. One of the Jaguar and the Shmutish. Papa and Jalav, Do Paton, Angway. They were still there. Sagamani, you fresh show, man, and I can't buy t shirt against I walked in. And get a yellow t shirt in my house, man. So, how not happen? I don't even face my one. At that time, it was my one. Come on, and doing a pay the papa, clash away, a bandit resort. So, helmet, because I couldn't say go away, I got Skawani would follow, would go each and every time. So now, part time, you talk in the manji show. Come on, Tripa Antaroji to Famanji, the Burga Baba. And then I grew on it to the farm, but I hope not a gasman. To tap at door, Pagati Baba. Major. The Gangon and the Uyangaba. And when I pocket less over. There are no visual. That Yemen is all in the past, everything gone past. But never know until now, must start. Want to go boys, boy. And then by you. Check on the performance. And she's what I-Ratty more than 5 times. I-Ratty link up. If you go on performance, Tempo man at that time. Maybe he didn't know me or he didn't understand me, but I know me just Simba for a long time. Right? Tempo man get me I-Ratty. Among that, one more to Ripa, or Mr. Mandibe, which is dropping. It's more than 6%. Dropping the woman on. I said that. And school more.
Yo, I'm daddy's.
Pabo. But the funny thing, he was the first person to give me a radio interview.
Yeah, one Timberman.
Yeah, man. So maybe he realized now, say, so helmet is something that they know it's not local, but it is global. If helmet is really marketed and put on its right place, and it's really being to other.
But do you feel like when a Timberman and an Ethertone, but we have to support a movement, you could do, we have to support a movement run by helmet, should feel like Jonita music fan with ZimDanchall?
Well, for the people like us to point and say those are the beat guys. You understand? Truly speaking, on my own tier, from my own level, it's when they want us. You get me, man. The last time, City Sports Center, Clash, I-Ratty General Chicha, I felt like a puppet.
Why?
Man, so this is what we're going to do. This is what we're going to do. Because I put you among the so I can't go but just for me, could tip in there. My guy. There was open saying after 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes, if you can go on.
And I think the panabada ugadzirwa entrance yekupinda kwema-artist kwekwe and entrance inofana kugadzirwa zvakaitwa na wakana kubandit festival wakana kubandit festival entrance yanga iri ball richard famous anga kanso kugadzira entrance kweka kuri ball I think ndachipa zanotokumbira kuti papa kuma-artist kweko confusion isanyowandisa sega amfana kutry mdara wangu chipazi atokumbira kuti kuma-artist kuseri kweko mukuru wangu tigadzirewo I think mangoshandisa same template ranga kashandiswa na Secalas kubandit festival ngashandiswa na Richard Famous. I think that one rakaipa iroro
because sometimes some artists you feel a little bit disrespected or devalued when the show to find a performance. Say last time I ndiani apana mateg apana jibani maskango ilipo bandu bandu zote say papa apana go
baba.
If it is the main and prime clash ya mugu society powder I-Ratty na Fire, then Janos also uya and so atataka tora pa radio because everything recording. Why is it you let Janos go on first? As namu no wajo clash nae, then Fire will come. Na watu nda pa stage no ndakatu miss kwa konzi kwewe ndiwani go
fanga kuseri kwekuya mamonya anenge ari kwekuya ai nindo kumbiro kuti mamonya anenge ari kwekuya omanaka toda vanhu yatoziva dhanza omana nozoti avandana nawo omana mamonya asitogona basa achifunga tari kufadza varungu wavo kozi varungu wavo ndisitobhadhara mari kwekuya mamonya yanga asadaro so
I felt humiliated in a certain way but
every artist anenge atingochema nemamonya ekubackstage
ubvazongoziva kuti in manje calculations yangu Sparks for a bad man and a bad mind are two different things.
Bad mind, a bad mind.
When that's what we are, a bad mind. Marusa kuba kupi. Ikangozi yota tambana ningi. Eto draw tifilm yangu yapera.
Mamazi ya marugazi.
Kudala kapozi Janos musiyanga pina ndofana 3 o'clock na 2 o'clock mkati mumu. Kutwafana vesa wakapinda vesa. Ende kwada kuona. Respect everyone. I craft yavo, I ZimDanchall yavo andrambe. Pane sign enzi kanzi ta. Yangu nzi kanzi papa so. Okay. Do it. And the main what? Feed waka tuka pautu chimoni.
Eidro mafanzi.
Pane boys ngiri pambiri hapa Sparks. Papa. Machedo ayo. Waya home benchers.
Like pambiri be stage.
Uchiperform papa. Don't want to control the whole crowd. That's called mob psychology. Is it? Kumangoma alipambira katanga takutoita.
All right.
It's a game. It's WWE wrestling, but you need someone to invest in it, so that ball can be rolling. Wrestling komango. The rock items pesa ku Hollywood maisa zizi. But akatofika kanduwe kaka.
All right. Alright, ndikutsaya kunzwisisa kuti ndo zvinenge zvichiitika kumangoma ndipo ndoshaya kuti mahometi chii zviproblem inge iri papi chepche
hatina vanhu vanokwanisa kuziva or to understand kuti we need to invest and sponsor this thing to promote it ingonzi because Zimbabwe everyone hapana angakanzwisise country music but country music is the richest genre unozari munhu anemba rumba ane mari kudarika munhu wedancehall. Kofelo media na keputono unoshamisika.
Right.
So dancehall is the poorest genre. Could have been ZimDanchall, Jamaican dancehall, or which dancehall? Cartel, he just come out of prison. It's a life story. They're trying to change Mazoni, but dancehall, Mangoma was good. Mangoma and the plater. Hardcore. So no one is fully understood dancehall. Kunevacho wakatoitanga kukozi yava murege. Kasound kangona za dancehall kutamba. Muho.
Alright. But ndinofunga kuti mese munotoimba ZimDanchall. Imimi wacho imese bo ndinofunga kuti ZimDanchall ka idanzo kuitwa navanhu vari munomu munyika.
Alright.
Zimbabwe kati mazvizvara zvemuzimbabwe zvikuita danzo. So ndinofunga kuti mimi I-Ratty mese na Chicha munogadzira ZimDanchall beats ine nayo. Then muZimDanchall mukuna vanozogadzira zvigubhuwo zvavo varimo but mumahelmets ari ndinofunga kuti yese ZimDanchall but muhelmets imo mandika mune commercials mune mahelmets mune conscious do understanding and nayo ndinozomboshamsika sometimes vanhu helmet achizvibvisa paZimDanchall.
It's not a sound. Wanzwa helmet. Vacho vanotozvibvisa paZimDanchall nema explanation nema ondrawunoita iwewe. It's music from what? Zimbabwe.
Music from the dancer from Zimbabwe.
So the only shortest way or the clearest way good is ZimDanchall. They akauya Fantana achitaura izvozvo. So wataura iko zvino so. Ndaiwira nimi.
I think papa inini because remember Fantana say akatanga ZimDanchall wakomana.
Holland.
Unofana kuziya ipapo.
No.
But statement ngachingotaurwa wakomana vakati ZimDanchall ipise. Vakati ZimDanchall ibve bluma. So wane credit hombe zvawo tinovapa credit hombe yawo.
Vakaintroduce rhythm culture.
Rhythm culture ngagara iriko na mokara ngagara chirwa rhythm culture.
But yakanyausimbira panana levels.
Yakaputikira panana levels. So sometimes vangomana mamusho ndo vanozofusara kufunga kuti levels akatanga ZimDanchall. But it's just that kudara isu tifita kafunga kuti levels akatanga ZimDanchall. So ndofunga kuti yese is ZimDanchall. Then kuzone commercial, kuzone conscious, kurega ndika kubva kwazoti my helmets. So inini ndaiona pakutoita problem pekuti zvoni imi maida kuzvinisa penyu mega kuti muda kutanga chinhu chenyu maifana kutoclaima that is tele kuti ZimDanchall iroro because ndoranga tine vanhu vacho ende vamwe vacho vaishaya chekuendera futi kuhelmet because vaiti tagara titoriko kuZimDanchall already. Ameno munopoona sei papa mwana wamambo.
Ona ndatomboshaya ndikamboda kumeditata ndatombona kuti okay cool. Your idea or how you are explaining now. They wakati explain that 15 years ago. Was culture kid angalipo kudara. Mangoma itorova. Ana yaga chajiwatirwa mangoma na major iwa itorwa ni chirungu chacho. Ndobanuti if it's a movement takazonzi helmetika. Pane the way they structure how they do their thing chatakaramba isusu. Kuti ndowani kwe paridi pa poster chokwa ndifana ndapo poster ndifana kwa mari wewe.
No, asizvo I-Ratty zvaitika. Maybe makasangana nemangoma culprits woma individual uzoidaro but aisiro yangariripo.
Ndina ngaripo ndodeso pangwa yo movement reseri rakashanda form. It's a ghetto music, it's a ghetto vibe. Right? I represent a ghetto. Right? I'm a gladiator in a ghetto. Right? So a ghetto vibe. And you know in ghetto music pani poverty, pani suffering, pani pain, pani chichi. So if that is in a ghetto youth mind, muswane ta dora umwangu. Kana mumze pamsika kuleta cha atombo ifumbe.
But wona I-Ratty indefungudza kuti nina ndika mimi mesene na dashoka na maifana kutozati mimi ka Chipas atori mu ZimDanchall already. Akatobva kusungura, akatoya kudanza ka promote. Imimi mutori party ZimDanchall. Chamaifana kuita mimi kuti mukuru parikuwanika vanhu ava. Tisifana ngetiripo. Kwete kuti vanhu kuita zvinhu zvavo. Because vanhu helmet zvamakaita manje. Makabva mati aiwa vari kuimba zvigubha. Ava vanhu vari kuimba danzo che. Ava vanhu vari kuita zvinhu zvavo.
Chicha. Takatombaya adresa nyewe na mukuru. Kana if you remember is it 20 chiko papa ne album launch ya Colors. We included. Kana ku launch
ndakatozviona
mukuru avatomboti neglect. Aisinye mukuru. Titoripo pa movement. Mazuva mukuru titoripo but ameno somewhere down the chain papa patinozongosuka
final minute
chabva kuna Chipas chato pa stage chato stage ndo pamukusukira
aumwaneka mukuru pangwa iyoyo
aumwana
pakufana andika ndati ivavo pampacho vabvunza vakatonda mafine natomodza indozoboyekana kuti tinda kutozoradza ndozometa kana temporary short apana netrousers ndoboyekana kuti but I've been investing in my own self kunto yapana apa it's my own to support a movement kuda kuti ndiwane chi exposure motanga kuti nditi but zachinja kwa zvino ndoma ndimba ngochitaura aya anongoroza
mwaje kumseko stage ya mamonya
so sometimes tokunopesa chiblame vanhu vasiriwo but as a whole structure my roots ndio watoblame before fruit right a problem so as we explain it chitoisa mpavana chonzo maybe vachaziva kuti we need to really look in or not
but akumana munofana kuzwa kuti mutori part ZimDanchall akumana
chakazva accept
ndi mimi and ZimDanchall ngoti ZimDanchall ngoriwana nemunomu iDanchall yemunomu zvaro zvemunomu saka mimi munofana kuti wana huchi uri kutowanikwa nevari kutoita
kwa kune urban groove nesungura isanga malocal but kune vamwe vangwa worooneka ka local kakazongoitwa kechi next generation saisi kuto ZimDanchall iyeshona itoro generation yavo yakatorowana naSoja Love but makadozozvitasa kana if you check undana anana respond izvi vakutoswitcha vakutoroone chirungu which was no new school
one boys apana vaya vamgona chanonga chinakirwa neartistry my helmets maiziya but vamwe vachanonga asingazvigone zvema helmets zvazvo sakuzongozvijoinawo hawo totowaona vafana mwacho kuti ave ajoina akasi azvigone izvi vaiziya mezi yacho saka vanhu ngaite zvinhu zvaanogona yese iDanchall yes iDanchall vanogona mahelmets ngavarwe mahelmets vanogona macommercial wakaita sana nisho team vanorwa chi macommercial vanogona maconscious ana rascaleb orwa machi
zvakadaro pane pamfano nzisisa dei helmet yanga iri sound yaikwanisa kuroveka nemunhu wese helmet is a movement you understand
but still helmet ya movement but ingozvati sisuka ingori hardcore waize ingori hardcore yamukuita imimi maiziya then makazoiti yedu inonzi helmet movement andika but imi maita hardcore so zvangachita pane zvekuti tongozoti ana I-Ratty anadashoka vakomana ava vanobhura mahardcore
kana yangu mahardcore
kana yangu mahardcore takuda ana dadza ana I-Ratty anadashoka ndo vanhu vanofanira kuti every show tofanira tine vanhu vemachi vemahardcore then isusu tozati tine vanhu vemacommercial
unaona kwa silent killer kuchikoro
waiziya
pakati mixer like when you invited my helmet that time yakasona kuchikoro kustodato performing
silent killer
time yangu iri pakatisa pa stage I'm a real bad man akaziya kuti I need to change and switch something different and that time was the time yekuti pakangondira munhu one sparks as I told her this is another way man that time
takadzibirwa dance kapepesha because aitofa yakangoti achingoridza bajena ichitori probably zvekuma 50
movement yenyu mukona yakaita slow pinda but yanga yakupinda maiziya but ndakaona kuti era hombe pakuti vakomana vari kufunga kuti vasire ZimDanchall vakutosiya mamwe machena ari muZimDanchall vachita iwa vanhu varikuita zvinhu zvavo
zamazano vakutonoimba maridhimiwa people are trying but it's about the sponsorship and promotion kuti umve pa A B C awufani totadza kuziva kuti A E I so you need some fundamentals for you to get there
okay alright amana nyabana batsawandisa I think tine nyadza kawana nawo tane 1 hour takagara pana parwa mangoma kawandisa I think boss ndachidana nodango kuti I-Ratty nanjiza rinobhura mangoma maiziya ndadana noti time yakawanda ipere kumangoma ndosaka nda stretcher time ichi yemangoma ifanira ridhimwani yanga inyanyoro kana mangoma
ngoma
ndorakakosha rekakulauda boys
vachapedzera kutozonditopanira kuti my life and what I am about tsvagawo wega ungonzi so let be a surprise
okay saka I-Ratty apa kadabotana chicha atisema weeks mfana wangu kuti sekuit cliff
cliff boat
ine boys mara imwe chete
tangotara dzekumba manja bega mageto yutsangu yekuit cliff uko one sija one dibela mageto yutsangu saya I-Ratty General Chicha mukui zvekukutite industry kukutite usei saproducer wamahelmets akugonese
munongoziva mudara pampacho isu takazongosvika pangobhilivha kuti zvinhu zvachona zvine grace mukati saka isusu patience yedu yaane faith mukati saka tingoramba tingorine same energy same vision tichitongoenda mberi.
Alright, but mahelmets semunhu akatanga kumagadzira kuti ari kuona here paine movement iri kuitika like from level ranga ari pamadeza wakatanga kusvika izvezvizvi uri kuona movement ichifamba here?
Well, farapa tikatanga isusuka kadhiri kacho ketonge ari kudai so kari kudai, but then after lockdown kakazongetonge kangodai so penguti zvekutoronge vakazonge vaizviziva but vakazokanganwa izvozvi it's just a reminder vanongoti zviya vanpo like kuti iri kukura pakuti vanhu vanonge vachitokuziva zvekutoti vakutokuziva zviri pamwe pacho nogona kutotadza kutofamba pane imwe nzvimbo because vanhu vakukuziva but then uringozikanwa
but maworks ayatsobva asvike palevel yachairo yekuzvatsotora mari because maworks ane malevels ari kusvika level kuti kuzikanwa posvika kuti kuzikanwa kwakwe kwakuita kuti uchitore mari rari rimwe level manje
ausofamba risiti kubuda iri kuuya zvavo but inokuenderana
nezvikuitika
yatikubudisa yakati wandei kudarika iri kuuya.
Alright, saka kana pachinge paina kuona this interview vanoda mahelmets vangakubate sei dai General Chicha?
It's Chicha Music, General Chicha on social medias. Then kana dziri phone number it's 0775 072 530 0775 072 530. Ipapo tinotongo karongoro hakata tunoita hakata
amuite zvekutamba
zvekutamba
ko wani mwana wamambo vanokubata sei mwana wamambo?
waitosiziyewe zimengokudhara
wabata Chicha wabata
zvainetsa, but you know what, everything has time and progress. Thing takazita catch on to the time that you guys are living on social media and thing. So there's Facebook and Instagram and all social media. It's I-Ratty Wamambo or I-Ratty MWM. But we're going to share this is
anobatika General Chicha namba za General Chicha dzinobatika. Saka zviri nyore kuti wakabata General Chicha nika zvinokuitira nyore kuti ugare wabata mwana ndimambo. Ene boys nika because of our time andika boys amene ndichakuinvite FT nika timborowa futi mangoma vanomboenda chijairira mahelmets aya waita chirwa mahelmets but mukuru thank you very much nekumboita pass through nepanapa tichimbokurukura zvakakosha izvozvo
mava ndati apa tadzimurana ndebvu. Thank you very much Sparks Zamwari
and Chicha DJ unoza chinoitika Chicha mulife chinoitika kana uchigara katoboti for example uchigara kuHeathcliff andika wobva waita kunge pane zvinhu zvikuitika like this is like vanhu vacho tano masina kutorowa iziya dati
kokumareni kwangu
dati yoziya pana wako Sparks Sparks abuka ghetto Sparks izvozvi achatobowanike izvozvi zvikurana Chicha asitobowaona ko I-Ratty mwana wamambo Sparks atakasingamboaziye usadaro saka kuona chinhu zvee zviri mubrain dzangu aiziya kuti ndinofanira kuzodaidza I-Ratty ndinofanira kuzodaidza Chicha but pamwe pacho nenyaya yepressure aiziya nonokanga saka ona zvakatika nezuro mamwe pataronga pepe ndakaona comment yako ndoti Chicha ndikutsvaga aiziya ndaita kutsvaga but ndaishedza ndakambotira na I-Ratty but ndaita kutsvaga manishedza kuti ameno nongosaka yakapressure kanonga ngoripo aiziya but guys ende munowaudzeko kuti ana Sparks ifanoita zvidaro ende guys Heathcliff paupamurati simkalidi andika pane mfana wane kuHeathcliff anonzi Gunnie so far pafana watakateererawo takateerera fana wakawanda ndiye takangoonerawo mukana kuti amboita se ambopinde papa ane collab nyama naTgons saka watch out for that tune mad Heathcliff andikangano boys
chocolate city vanongodira
city
chocolate imomo mune
sa ene apakapa tongoti mungotorero gwanda ndikitibva tangobudana ndore kupedzisa ngoma irona tangu ame ndongoma ndoti matangoruma totangozongoonekana tichaonekana ndipo tangosimuka tichienda aiwa tikasadze kuonekana nendandika
tambotanga kakutai pechibo tonge tumahati kuna edu of tuma commercials amufana mbofila futi
hapana chakaipa kaitimbapingewayo
tongonongovharisa nikakamuna
hapana chakamboshata
as DJ Sparks we can give him 10 years to craft what you have crafted but havazvigoni
4.
So everyone has to write their own story for he alone can get what? The glory. Right? So keep on what? It's no one.
4.
When we goes again, let them pass in face. Let the bend fire blaze. God given you can't erase. Even if them face to face. Yo, nothing proud so no white space. Pull up me socks and me tie me shoeless. Get in, I get you what you wanting. Wanting, I get you what you getting. But give me what's mine on the right time. Living my life and no crime.
Give me what's mine on the right time. 4 from Top General Chicha.
Yes, the music with a meaning is always the message.
Yeah, man. Edutainment.
Oh Lord. DJ Sparks. Podcast on ZW.
4.
Vanavaka. Blesswa. When we goes again. Let them pass in phase. Let the bonfire blaze. God given them can't erase. Even if them face to face.
4.
Nothing crowded so no one space. Pull up me socks and me tie me shoeless. Get in, I get you what you wantin'. Wanting, I get you what you getting. Give me what's mine on the right time. Living my life and no crime. Looking for your dollar and a dime. Never blame me for me face or for me dime.
4.
I guess I have wasted my time. Time trying to deal with mankind. Well on and on, me still a go on, me still a hold on, me still a go on and on. By Zimbabwe this time, Africa next time to go on and on. We still a go on, we still a go on, and we still a dream on and on. By for now we go and see, tell them say na one, unagatanga kudana, kuchine chobo. Biliati, what's the Sunday say your potu, banondeziva kutafara ne mapoko, okufarisa kufinyira bachire sutu, bachire banana, vaduku, gava boge vakasunga zavo potu, mekoso se bagoa, sikinari brain oa, udemne,
Mwana mambo lakuthi ngondwele freestyle wandika. Freestyle ila nika. Lakuthi ngoni balanzira nika. Number 1. About the biggest podcaster
in Zimbabwe.
Yeah, man. Number 2, ZimDanchall.
Oh yo. 4.
Yeah,
Number 3, about our new album.
Yeah, man.
Right. So my DJ.
Yeah, man.
Touch it from top.
Hold on. If we can do an exclusive or something different, if I had a signal and do freestyle, can you do some with your hands and give me a freestyle on your hand? All right. Flat. Sparks. Oh, this is one your freestyle for my style. I make it X-File. Okay. Zimbabwe. Well, everything come first. This is love upon a last. Let me tell you about the Zimbabwe biggest podcast. Your DJ Sparks, you day upon the max and pound up in that everybody go and put max out. Put that tick panic like night, just do it. You day and everybody just go and beat it. We're the best. We're them the first. Everybody ZimDanchall, we go and play so. ZimDanchall. DJ Sparks in your one DJ Sparks ban ZimDanchall. ZimDanchall. DJ Sparks. This is one your ZimDanchall, yo. New bomb up, yes, big one lot. You look up on the streets, everything I come out. But 13 June, you know that's the June. I'm a birthday, look up in a free. So Chicha, who them there? Been bad, run.
Mad.
Still bad.
Oh, God. And I be having myself Chicha.
Yeah, man.
Merci, groupe, voilà, t'es là, nous avons un petit gars là, groupe.
I'll pick up on yourself, DJ.
Yeah, man. Without the house.